Hi friends, so today we've made the 3D printed Saitama from One Punch anime series. So this is a single piece, there is no need of any attachments or anything. We can just print it with the raft type of supports, and the raft is easily removable, and the tree type supports is very easily removable as the layer height is only 0.1 mm itself. And post that we can just paint it and put it anywhere in the showcase or something. In the next upcoming video we'll be printing either any of the characters from Wolverine, X-Men or Avengers. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel, and please turn on the notifications ring option. Thank you.